Mbavu the Destroyer versus Majembe. Here is the thing. These two guys will be competing this coming month. That is on April. Now, here is the thing. Hawa watu wawili ukiangalia how they are training, you'll just be wondering whether they will be fighting. One is training on how to be beaten. The other is training on how to beat and win the challenge. Look at how Mbavu the Destroyer is training. Every time ni nimejaa ngori, usibonge wagdo. And then just look at whatever he is doing. He's trying to harden his body, lifting jerry cans, lifting heavy stones, things that are going to make his body hard and maybe be able to withstand the punches from the opponent. Majembe on the other side, Majembe is trying to gain skills on how to win this challenge, because he knows that boxing, maybe you can be very hard, you can be very tough, but you end up losing because sometimes you might not have the skills required, and then you just get knocked and then you lose the match. So Majembe is really training very hard, acquiring these skills. Not unless Mbavu the Destroyer is training secretly somewhere else. Whatever Majembe was saying, that this challenge will be just for 3 minutes, might just happen if Mbavu the Destroyer is continuing to just harden his body, not trying to get the required skills for boxing. Boxing ni akili, by the way. Someone was just telling me, like, in boxing you don't just need to be that more energetic, very strong. No, boxing ni akili. You can see someone who is very weak but ako very tactical with how he is doing the boxing thing. Vile anaachilia hizo mangumi zake, vile anaziondokea can really mean a lot, na inaweza msaidia, by the way, because he can get an easy score regardless of how the other opponent is strong, very hard, can withstand these punches. Sometimes I think Obina pia he should get a trainer for Mbavu the Destroyer. You honestly, whatever he is doing, hardening your body, it's okay, but sio kwa boxing. Kwa boxing ni tofauti bana. I don't know whatever will happen, but tukaenda tu huko na alafu game isha after 3 minutes.